Hi, today we're going to learn more about newsletter sign-up pop-ups inside AI Trillion. To access the section for newsletter sign-up pop-ups and to make your very own newsletter sign-up pop-up, all you have to do is log into AI Trillion and in the left-hand side navigation bar, click on Smart Pop-ups and then on Newsletter Sign-up. Upon opening, you will see a screen similar to this one. Click on Create a new form to create a brand new pop-up. If you've already created a pop-up, you can always edit, delete, or copy that one. However, for this example, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new pop-up. So click on New Form. In the New Form section, you'll be presented with a choice of templates. So you choose the one that you want. You can always alter it later in every aspect. So let's say I am going to choose Don't Miss a Detail for this example. I'm going to click on Use Now. And then it asks you to create a newsletter form. So I'm going to call it Test News, and then it asks you for a list. So list is a list of all the subscribers that have subscribed to your pop-up. You can use that list to send your newsletter to. You can use that list for any sorts of marketing. You can use that list for sending urgent notices, sale emails, anything like that. So for this example, I'm going to choose a list called newsletter. You can even create a new list if you need to, and just click on the new list button and create a new list. It'll just ask you for a name. But for the example, I'm going to click on newsletter list and click save. Please remember you can have multiple pop-ups leading to the same newsletter list. Once you accept the details, once you fill the form, you're presented with a screen similar to this one. Your chosen template is already selected. You can then choose a pop-up position where you want the pop-up to be positioned on your side, at the bottom, the center, on the top. So let's say I like this one, so I'm going to select this one. You can choose the field labels. So the font family for the field label is usually Arial, but you can choose any one of these fonts based on your website, something that matches your website's theme. So I'm going to choose, let's say, cursive. That changes the email address font, the text color, the button style. So this is the style for this button here. The pop-up style, say, overlay, pop-up width, height, you can choose any of these. Once you're done with these settings, go to the field and you can choose the fields that you want. It's usually email address, which is the most important. Some people do like a phone number, but usually we'll keep it at email. Choose the content, so the image, anything you can change, anything at all. You can choose the images. You can, so for example, let's say I choose this one. You can have a different image for the mobile. So let's say this one. Image alignment, you want it on the left, right, bottom, top. So we keep it at what it was. Image centering, bottom, top, anything. You can then go to the body section and add body details and a background image if you so wish to. So you can choose any images that you like. Once you can even change the background color to a color of your choice. Once you're done with your settings, choose the additional contents if you want to display additional content. And you can see the additional content coming here. Text to close pop-up. So this no thanks button to close the pop-up, what text you want to display, a footer text. So that's a footer text. You see it comes up over here. Sign up success message. So, email address. Once this person is subscribed, do you want to just say thank you for subscribing? You want to give in a discount code here, or you want to put in a code or something, you can do that. And then choose the behavior of the pop-up, display setting, display frequency, and then display where. Once you're satisfied with your settings, turn the pop-up on. And as soon as you've turned the pop-up on, you can click Save to save your newsletter pop-up. That's all there is to creating a newsletter pop-up. If you need any help or if you're stuck anywhere, please remember you can always go to aitrillion.com and have live chat with us, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day ahead.